All right, you guys, today is the day I finally declutter a lot of my makeup and clean a lot of stuff because this is not acceptable. Take you guys along the process. So I came across this post on Instagram. It's itsmyraye. Sure, you guys know her, and she's also on YouTube. She was showing a video on how she was cleaning her brushes. She also mentioned in the video that it was just a temporary clean. It's gonna be clean, but you still need to clean it with soap, like properly cleaning. And in this video I'll show you how I did it. So I got that cosmetic organizer from Ross. It was $26.99, so it's $27. So yeah, I'm gonna put all my makeup in here. I don't use a lot of makeup. I use the same makeup every single day, so I'm like, what is all this? Like I have too much right now that I don't even need, so I'm gonna donate some of that away. So I need to free this bag. This is my LV bag that my husband got me. It's so special to me. I was supposed to go to a wedding, and then this was the only free bag that I found, and I just literally threw all my makeups in there. That's just how it's been. But today we're gonna sort everything out. Now, first of all, this wallet is my Michael Kors wallet. I've had this wallet for ages, over what, 8 years now, and as you can see, it's been beat up. I need to give this away. This is the makeup that I'm keeping. This is the makeup that I'm giving away. We're still going. I'm almost done. Alright, let's quickly talk about the star of the show, which is this professional grade makeup brush cleaner that I got from Amazon. Now, when I tell you that this product will wash away all your makeup sins, listen, it will purify the heck out of those brushes. Like, I'm not even kidding. This thing is powerful. The only thing though, your hands are gonna be ashy, but you know, you can always wash them and moisturize them. That's not a problem. And what I like about it is that it's 99.99 bacteria free, which is really good. It says quick drying, rinse free, so you don't have to rinse your brushes, which is awesome. Because listen, my makeup game is about to go on freaking 1000. No cap. Okay, anyways, and I'm gonna leave the link to where you can get it down below. This video is not sponsored.